Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I am also fine. Yesterday we have solved exercise 13.5 completely, and first question of 13.6 also solved. Today we will start question number second of exercise 13.6. Then let us start. The second question is, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of pipe is 35 centimeter. If 1 centimeter cube of wood has mass of 0.6 gram, then find the mass of the pipe. Means a cylindrical pipe, wooden. Then first of all we have to find the volume of the cylindrical pipe, and after that we have to find the mass. Mass is equal to volume into density. Here density is given that 1 centimeter cube of wood has mass 0.6 gram. It means 0.6 gram wood can be found in 1 centimeter cube of wood. Okay, then let us. A inner diameter, this one is cylindrical pipe, and this one is thickness of pipe. This one is pipe, and here the length of pipe is 35 centimeter, and the inner diameter is 24, this diameter is 24, and outer diameter from here to here it is 28 centimeter. Then we have to find the mass of the pipe, the weight of the pipe. Here we know that this one is the thickness of the wood, and mass will be found in thickness. This is hollow, and here is no any weight, only weight is found in thickness. So volume of wood is equal to volume of whole cylinder, whole pipe, minus volume of hollow pipe. Okay, whole pipe means this is completely a pipe. We have to find the volume, and after that we have to find the inner part, volume of the inner part, hollow part. Then so volume of wood is equal to volume of whole pipe is equal to pi r square h minus volume of hollow pipe pi small letter r square h. Capital letter R and small letter r denote to larger radius and smaller radius of the pipe. Then we can take pi h as common, and here remain r square minus r square. Then here we take pi 22 upon 7 h 35, and to r square means half of the diameter, outer diameter 24 square, and radius inner side half of the diameter inner side, then 12 square. Then we calculate this 22 by 7 into 35 into square of 14 will be in 196 and square of 12 is equal to 144. Here 7 5 and this one is 22 5 110 into, here we subtract this 5 and this one 5 also. This one is 2, sorry, 2 and this one is 5, 52, and we multiply this, then here the product will be 52 0 50 0, 52 1 are 52, carry 5, 52 1 are 52 or 5 57 centimeter cube. Then this is volume. Then density is given, mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is equal to 0.6 gram, it is given, and mass of this centimeter cube 5720 of wood centimeter cube of wood is equal to 5720 into 0.6. Then here we calculate this 0 12 42 43, carry 4 30 34, again 0 12 1 42 4 and 30 34, and decimal will be before one digit. Then this gram we can change in gram. Then here we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, and 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, and 3432 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 into 3432. Then we put the decimal before 3 digit, 3.432 kg. Then the mass of the pipe will be 3.432 kilogram. Okay. The next question is, a cold drink is available in 2 packs, a tin with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, having height 15 centimeter, and second container is a plastic cylindrical with base diameter 7 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? Then first of all we have to find the volume of each container, and after that each can, and after that we compare the capacity of the can. Then let us here this one is cuboidal shape pen, and the dimension of the cuboidal are 5 centimeter length, 4 centimeter breadth, and 15 centimeter height. And second can is, second pack is in cylindrical portion in plastic. This one is base diameter 7, so the radius is equal to 7/2 centimeter, and height is 10 centimeter. So we calculate the volume of both. V1 and let V1 and V2 are respectively volumes of cuboidal cuboidal and cylindrical. Pack. So V1 is equal to volume of the first pack is equal to LBH 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 15 centimeter. Then this volume is 5 4 the 20, 20 into 15, 300 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter centimeter cube. And then V2 is equal to volume of the cylindrical pi r square h, pi 22 by 7, r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h 10 centimeter. Then calculation of this will be equal to 7 to 7 cancel, 2 1 ja 2, 2 11 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Then here 7 5 ja 35, 35 1 ja 35, carry 3, 35 1 ja 35, 3 38, 385 centimeter cube. So cylindrical has more capacity and by how much? Is equal to 385 minus 300 equal to 85 centimeter cube. Now next question is lateral surface area of the cylindrical is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter. Then find the radius of the base and volume of the base. This question we can easily find. The lateral surface area of the cylindrical is given, so the 94.2 centimeter square is given. Then we can take formula equal to the given numerically. So formula of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH equal to 94.2, and we can take height as h5. Then this will be 2 pi r into h equal to 5 रख देंगे, and after that we can all the formula in term of r. Then we can easily find r, and after that r and h are given, then we can find the volume and take pi 3.14. Next question is it cost of 2200 rupees to paint the inner cut surface area of the cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. The cost of painting at the rate of the rupees 20 per meter square. Then inner which we have to find inner cut surface area of the vessel, radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. Then here we know that cost of painting, total cost of painting is equal to 2200 rupees. So, and rate of painting is equal to rupees 2. Let CSA of cylindrical, what is this? Cylindrical vessel is equal to x centimeter square. So we know that we have to paint at the surface area CSA. Then CSA is x centimeter square. So rate of painting is rupees 2 per meter square. Then here we know that rupees to expand on is equal to 1 meter square. Then rupees 1 expand on equal to 1 by 2 meter square, and rupees 2200 expand on is equal to 1 by 2 into rupees 2200. Then this one is rupees 20 because rate is given 20. Rupees 20 is expanded on 1 meter square. Rupees 1 is expanded on 1 by 2 20 meter square, and rupees 2200 expand on 110 meter square. So this one is cut surface area of the vessel, because the painting we have to paint on the cut surface area. So the cut surface area of the vessel is 110 meter square. Then if the cut surface area is 110 meter square, then we can put equal to formula 2 pi RH is equal to 110, and 2 into pi, with the value of pi we have to take 22 by 7, and R is given H is given, R into H is 10 meter is equal to 110, and R is equal to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. Then calculation of this will be equal to this one 11 time, and 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are, and R equal to 7 by 4 meter. We can take this in decimal. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 4, and 4 fives are 20 meter. The radius of vessel is equal to 1.75 meter, and after that we have to capacity of the vessel. It means volume of vessel is equal to pi r square h. Then we can take here 22 by 7 into r square, means 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into h is given 10. Then we calculate this. 7 to 7 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and here 11 sevens are 77, 77 5s are 77 into 5. Then 5 7 5s are 35, carry 3 7 5s are 35, 38 5 upon 4, and this is 4 9s are 36, and 36 2 4 6 are 24, and 2 5 meter cube. Then the volume of the vessel equal to 96.25 meter cube. Then enough for today. In next lecture we will be solve remaining questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.